Random Zokaloo boop boop. Yummy. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lulu's Colorful World, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a knot and bead bracelet. So I am about to open my own knot and bead bracelets in general business, and I just wanted to give you some tips because I'm not trying to hide how I make my bracelets. No, I want other people to be able to start their own bracelets. So what I have this little bag right here, and it has a little crystal, and I'm going to show you what a knot and bead bracelet looks like. Okay, so this is what a knot and bead bracelet looks like. I know my name is a little bit weird, but that's just what I call it. You don't have to call it that. Y'all guys can give y'all's own nicknames. I personally call it knot and bead. Let me show you why. Okay, so if you can look, it's the clay beads is like the knot, and then there's a bead. Knot and bead, knot and bead. And these are classic beads. The golden ones are classic beads. So that's why I just call them beads. And then the clay ones are knots, basically. So like little knots. And yeah, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of my knot and bead bracelets. Okay guys, so to start off this video, I'm sorry that my voice is super low. It's late at night and I am deciding to make a bracelet. What's it called? I am just going to get started on this bracelet. Then I might do like a fast forwarding part of me like doing it, but I'm gonna show y'all up close of what my bracelet's starting to look like. So I'm going to be doing one of my bracelets called a blue and dye bracelet. So right here we have some blue beads, blue clay beads, and sorry that this is kind of like a mess. These are the blue clay beads that I use, and then in the pre-made section, I just use these little silver beads. For example, this is how you do a knotted bead up close. So basically what you do is what I like to do to start off my knotted bead, and I'm sorry that my finger's like gross, but this is my casual pointing finger. So what you do is you do 7 clay beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 clay beads, correct? And let me tell you guys some, when I'm done showing y'all how to do this, and then I'll get into the basics, and there will be more videos on how to make better bracelets. So, yeah. So what you do is, as you can see, is you put, about the size of your, like, nail amount. So I put 7 because that I was comfortable with 7. Now 7's not like my lucky number or something. It's just the amount that I thought that looked good. Because as you can see, give me a second. You can see on my knot and bead bracelet, it looks really good, honestly, because I actually did what I felt good with, guys. So if you don't feel comfortable with 7, then go in to 8 or to 9. I personally like 7. Guys, it's all up to y'all. Okay guys, so what I personally like to do, and like I just said before, it's all up to y'all on what y'all like to do. So you do not have to do my strategy, but if you just want to like try making bracelets and consider making a business, then here are some tips. Okay, so before I put 7 clay beads and then a dot, a little silver. So this is going to be our bead. Knot and bead. And then what you do that is you go through the whole bracelet, and then you go through the whole bracelet, and I like to put about 7. Guys, if you make bigger bracelets than what I do, put 8 knot and beads, put 9 knot and beads, put 10 knot and beads. Like guys, it's mainly up to y'all. It's what y'all feel comfortable with. If you don't feel comfortable with this size, then of course go higher and higher and higher. Okay guys, so that was a little up close to my knot and beads bracelets, and this was just like a short video of how to make the knot and beads. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically just going to do like one more knot. I know you can't see it because it's like attached to my thing. I'm gonna do like one more knot on fast forward so y'all guys can kind of like see the process of it. Sorry that my desk is kind of messy, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one more knot and bead, and then y'all guys can see. Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing y'all a little bit of a more up close version. So like I said, I only do about 7 for each one because I'm not doing jumbo and I'm not doing like micro non-beads. So what I do is I just put 7, and then I usually, if I forget the number of how many I've already done, I'll count them, and then I just put the little all the little clay beads on there. It takes a little while to do this. Then I take a bead, and I put it on there, and that is how you get a knot bead. Okay, bye guys. So now that y'all know how to do a knot and bead bracelet, go ahead and try it out at home. There's going to be a video of where I got all my stuff if y'all want to know. Comment down below. So yeah guys, that's how I do a knot and bead bracelet. By the way, bracelets are going to be coming soon, and thank you guys for all the subscribers and all the views that y'all guys have been giving me. But yeah, I love you guys. If you like this video, comment below and give this video more likes, and a like, and if you want more of this learning how to start your own bracelet business, subscribe and hit the notification bell with that, because that will give me a notification that you want more of this content. And I love you guys so much. Peace out.